wonderful and amazing country people. How una dey watch Naija celebrity gist TV. My people, it is not a small something. No. Yo don come dey lament say e no feel bad, e no feel good about everything when e be say e dey go on concerning this whole thing when e be say e dey happen. Mostly the way e be say im daughter wey dem dey call Daniel graduate, e no fit shake body, e no fit talk. He say im heart is so full of sadness, im heart is so full of pain that he doesn't even want to have anything to do with anything woman again. God abeg o. You don't want to get anything to do with woman again. My people, some people say, oh, this one na talk of frustration. My country people, this whole frustration when e be say e happen for where yo doing. Now, because of this im daughter, when they call Daniel, when he just graduate. So, una know say Daniel graduate with a very good grade. Im papa know am, even though some people they come at one come discredit her effort of say she graduate with a good grade because of say she know too much shout about it. Daniel graduate with a good grade, and the father know say the daughter wey be say im born na very intelligent girl. My people now see the way they say yo at the initial stage when Daniel gain admission into the school. See how yo was relating with him daughter. They go see am for school, then go discuss. Oh, the thing pain me, sha, it pain me. That is if I just dey see how Judy Ekwensu take enter this family and scatter every good thing about this family, the thing dey pain me well. E dey pain me wey be say I not be even member of the family. So somebody like yo, as in daughter graduates, he was not present. The thing pain am. They said the thing really pain am. He was just complaining. My people, now know say these people wey be say they use automokpote. E get the way be say then they reason. If you look at this whole thing when be say they happen now, come ask yourself, say, wetin be the thing when it be say his own daughter do am? Wetin be the thing when be say Daniel do yo wey make am no fit congratulate am? Even in papa brother when they call Lincoln, the uncle, congratulate am. Rita Edoche congratulate this Daniel. His own papa. Hi, God forbid bad thing. See, when I see this thing when they call polygamy, it's not a good thing at all. It's not a good thing. It's not something that anybody when we say open into korokoro eye go enter. That is why I am very, very happy. As we may say, I cannot be number. I am very, very happy. Because I just imagine if to say we make green number, how the situation for be. So everybody know that Yul Edochie and his daughter, they be 5 and 6. They were so close, not until Judy happened. How Judy take happen? Okay, fine. You try to cajole Queen May to accept polygamy. Queen May refused. In that process, there was too much katakata for marriage. At the end of the day, the senior son couldn't take it. Well, they say attack. For me, I feel that the emotional heartbreak, I worry that boy when they make that boy buy. That boy buy as a result of heartbreak. You know, say every pikin gets the way that they react to something. It gets some people where be saying they know they feel they absorb shock. They are too soft. And if you know the kind of person, like somebody like me now, I know they feel they absorb. That is why I avoid anything that has to do with friendship, relationship, because I don't get my emotion. I don't get power for emotional wahala. So when you know the kind of person where you be, you go avoid some certain things. If na friend, I go want to lead you to one thing. If na relationship, just guide your mental health with all diligence to guide them. So if you look at dis Kambili work by, you go know say dat pikin, e never dey emotionally balanced. E never know how to control his emotion. And every human being get the way dem dey react to certain thing. E get some people wey something go happen to dem like dis, dem no go fit sleep. Dem no go fit sleep. Dem go find sleep, sleep no go gree. Small thing happen, dem fit develop BP in that process. Na so some people be. So ever since wey be say Kambili kpai and Queen May decide say you see anything that has to this man wey dem dey call you, e no go gree. So when this court case dey go on, the court case dey delay, people dey want wetin dey happen. We know say the Edochies get one kind krukere waka wey be say dem dey waka concerning the court case. But as dem dey waka that kind krukere waka, thinking that Queen May go finally change her mind, dem don say am say Queen May no ready to enter into that chaos. As far as I'm concerned, this polygamy, when e be say dem want to lure Queen May into na permanent confusion and chaos, and nobody go see danger, e go say e want to enter inside. Shebi na dis same Judy, when e be say e come out say im dey pray for Carl, Zayn and Daniel. Shey na Daniel na im graduate now? Come on, congratulations, e no dey. Rather, na im begin say dem dey attack her im own children. Say im go come dey threa ten our own beautiful Queen May. Na you dey threa ten. My people no be even that one carry me come, because this their story e too long. As you dey talk, e go enter here, from here e go enter here. The matter e too long. Now, when Daniela graduate from this school, when everybody dey congratulate am, Yoyoyo come go hide in shame. He can't go hide in shame. He no fit talk. Una no say Yoyoyo dey for Asaba now, don rent house. He no dey with Judy. Good. He no dey stay with Judy, and Judy is not happy. Judy is not happy. Say the marriage wey be say he marry Yul Edochie, he don take this new turn. So the thing dey prepare am. Judy now come go meet somebody, come dey complain, give the person say he no understand wetin im do Yoyoyo. Say forget the fact, say make una forget the fact say Yoyoyo when she come go post that Yoyoyo movie, bury him. After Yoyoyo give her instructions, say no post am more, no post am more, no comment to allow people to watch my movie. After 2 weeks, now they come call the zombie, say go post. She come go post. Now, as she post finish, for Yoyoyo to even comment inside, Judy do like this. Judy suffer until Yoyoyo come go comment. Okulu Okalisia. Ijelo Odogu. As he go comment, Lizzie now come dey vex for Yoyoyo. Lizzie was very, very angry. Say this branding wey be say I dey suffer, they do with you. You wey be say you don't big finish. You can't start afresh. Can't turn wetin even turn? You can't turn upcoming. Now Lizzie, now they help am, they rebrand. Now you don't go, they comment. You want people now to start this hatred again. So when Judy come, they call Yoyoyo no dey gree the answer. So the thing come dey pain Yoyoyo. The thing come dey pain Juju. He come dey pain Judy. Say person when he be say he share a movie, and he can't just manage comment. In the call, I know the answer. Meanwhile, that time, Judy, you and Lizzie, they don't get contact because of say Lizzie don't tell you say, please don't get anything to do with this babe for now. Now Lizzie now come when Judy don't come out to contract and say, you witch, say the attacker. and they spoil im name anyway. Wetin dey do meanwhile na Lizzie na no wan get anything to do with Judy, because Judy na bad luck. Judy dey bring setback for them. When Lizzie dey tell Yo say, this thing wey be say you dey do, I don't like it at all. You know say your problem na this woman. Avoid am for now. Let's build our. So when the way the whole thing dey go, Lizzie come out to come talk say, if you be woman, if you be woman, try make you get your own self-worth. Use your instinct, know the time when you say, this man no want you. And it's very, very obvious, say, Yo does not want anything to do with Judy. Judy was just forcing himself. When Lizzie say, try as a woman, get something when you dey do, so that if it happen, you not go there badly affected. So all this one we say Judy they do. Now Bojo, they just they do strong eye. It don't melt finish. Suffer don't finish her. Now Yo now don't they say, when Judy don't they complain, somebody will be say, he go meet Yo. Come they tell and say, this whole thing when we say they happen between her and Judy. You know jail. Say they no say things happen between her and with me. But now that between her and Judy, they're supposed to they do things well. Say why Yo come behave like this? My people now see the way Yo flare. Give this person when we say Judy go meet her. Tell her say make it help and beg. Yo say make it come home. Say they have to talk. A lot of things they need to iron. This. Why you go leave every load for her? Now they look picking. Now they do this thing. Now they do that. Now Yo come tell the person, may they go tell Judy say, he no even get Judy time. He no get Queen May time now. He own na her. He want to build this in name where he say don't spoil finish. I want to build this in career when he remain. Make nobody trouble and make nobody disturb her. Say he no send Judy. Say make Judy, if Judy know wetin he go fit do to help herself, make she go think am, because when he be say him be Yo, he want to focus on his career. Say because this whole thing, if he sit down, the reason say when be say him be Yo, Odegu dey na okay. Say things don't rub am to the extent of he just dey like say he not dey. He say abeg. He said the Queen May, that everything cut her word and everything. He carry empty hand like Aaron for Bible. Say make nobody disturb her, make nobody trouble her. If una see the way Yo they unleash in anger, everything. The thing when we say they even they worry Yo for the matter, be say, he say, see him, as in there at his age, he's supposed to be very, very proud. In daughter, in first fruit, in first daughter for that matter, graduate. He no fit open mouth because of shame. Because if he no say if he congratulate Daniel no go answer. So now make I just say make him day, make him just sit down, they think about in life. Say because this one when he be saying this, so no be life. No be life. Okay, now Daniel don't graduate. This one when he born which day, the Storm. When Storm go reach this age where we say Daniel day in the next 20 years. In the next 20 years, Daniel never marry, get children for university. Hey, my people, when I say this life, what we dey so? When I see this prick and toto matter, when I see how things just they happen to some kind people, and we will be say we be the human being what would they see? Make we dey learn our lesson. Oh, make we dey learn our lesson, because Yo is regretting. If they regret, he say hand do no up no reach and down no reach, and he no know what he no know where this polygamy journey carry and enter. He no understand. He no understand wetin dey go on. They say Yo they complain. He they complain. Now we won't complain to. We may not ready to no ready to listen to her. Judy Papa when it be say ready to listen her. According to yo say Judy na complete washout. Say Judy na complete washout. Say nothing when it's Sabina to kerewa finish. Say he don't belle full for kerewa. He don't belle full. He not there for all this one again. It's time to be serious with in life. Now children don't full ground. Children don't full ground. Where I want start from. My people, una know say e get some kind things wey person go just dey do. E go dey do am, e go say, I remember when he go dey talk, onye ọ na-ewegbu ya wegbuo. We the thing they pay, make it pain there. Make it pain there. Now, not be who laugh last night life best. Look at we made the cash out anyhow. They make money. They make money, they cash out. Yo just they look like Lucozade. If daughter graduate, just no be shameful thing. Very, very shameful. Something they say, you know, invite papa. Where pikin go they do graduation? They go come they invite papa because no be papa na supposed to dey invite people. Hey, my daughter don't graduate oh, make una come oh, praise the Lord oh. No be him. My people. This life no balance. Well, men when it be so una they see yo now no get house. From landlord to tenant to squattometer, he dey squat. He don't dey for hotel. But he doesn't want to go back to Abuja. He doesn't want to go back there. And this Abuja, when he be say he relocates to, now waiting do the push and go. Let's go and stay in Abuja. It happen for Abuja. When we saw Jagaban uniform and we say Jagaban will fix Nigeria, relax, Jagaban will recognize us. And they almost recognize them because the one when it cause catalyze everything, they say, when yo come finally one go away. Come finally one go away to go to come finally one go away. When he one go away to go see Tinubu son. Now the same online in-law, now they tell Tinubu son say, you see this guy where he say he call himself yo. No carry body near am. As you dey run, avoid them. This man no dey responsible. He abandon his wife and him children. He dey stay with Saiti. No get anything to do with yo. Now online in-law. Now they go tell Tinubu son. Tinubu son come say in here, come acknowledge am. When I see the way they say Tinubu son, she dash Sarah Martin 20 million. All the while we be say yo they try best to see with Tinubu son. Nothing come out of it. Make una no underestimate the power of a bad luck person. Person when he be say he carry bad luck. Person when he be say he carry bad luck. Nothing good they come out from them. Look at Judy. Nothing good come out from her. Nothing. So yo say abeg, make she dey her day for Abuja or anywhere when they say won't go. He will be yo want a space, make he sit down, think in life, know the way forward. I want to do himself. Say you see anything that has to do with Judy, even Queen May, he no want, and I say Odi. Queen May even want you. As only say Queen May green eye for don't they happy. But Queen May cannot come and enter into chaos, into permanent confusion. Because when I see this Juju Ekwensu, for the past how many days now from one sacrifice, nine the senior sister will be say they do as a wine, where they do juju, if they go river, if they go fetch water, if they burn incense, if they do all sort of incantation every morning. Morning you go do for sun, after night you go do for moon, midnight you go come out. They do all sort of incantation. But trust God. War with God is majority. Nothing, any plan, any evil when this on a plan concerning Queen May, it go backfire because Queen May is serving a living God. She is serving a living God. Alright, my people, this na Naija Celebrity Gist TV. Make una like, make una share our video. We go dey come up with new updates. Una have a nice day. Like and share this video. Bye bye.